In this video, we'll display the power of a number using lambda function. So we'll ask for a user input. Let's say how many terms, and now we'll make a result variable. Okay, and then we'll put list of map and then lambda. Let's take the power of 2, okay, 2 to the power of x, and then let's put the range as third terms. Okay, so now we will print the total number of terms are, okay, and then we will give the terms. And now let's make a for statement for I in range of terms, okay, and then let's print value of 2 to power, and let's take I, okay, and then we'll put is, okay, and let's put the result of I. Okay, so let's run the program. So here it is saying how many times. I am going to put 11. So you can see 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Similarly 2 to the power of 10 is 1024.